Hello and welcome. Today, in this video, we are going to learn one beautiful poem that is Dear Mom by Brian Patton. See, Dear Mom, by the title, we can understand this poem is about mom means mother. One child has written, or child is the narrator of the poem, and he is telling to his mother, Dear Mom. So, see, my dear student, first, in brief, I will tell you about the poem, Dear Mom, and afterwards, we will learn this poem thoroughly. See, this in this poem, there is one child is there, and he is alone at home. And see, when the student or child alone at home, what does he do? Generally, he does the activities which are prohibited by the parents. Don't keep open tap. Don't waste water. These are the instructions given by the parent. But children, they never listen and they do according to or opposite to the instructions of the parents. See, in this poem also, there is one boy is there, and he is wasting or he is doing opposite to the parents' instruction. Now, let us see what he is doing there. See, in the opening line or in the beginning of the poem, the boy is telling that while you were out of a cup went and broke itself. See, the boy is explaining that mother or dear mom, when you were out a cup from our home, it break itself. I don't know how it has broken, and it broke itself. It a crack appeared in the blue vase. There is one Chinese pot is there in the home, and the crack. I don't know how it has happened, but there was a crack in the blue vase which is brought from China in our family. Somehow, without me even turning on the tap to sink mysterious flow, and that boy is telling that I don't know how that tap was opened, how all the water wasted. I don't know. Actually, all these mischievous things are done by the boy only. But after when mother will return, she will scold me. So to stay away from the mother scolding, he is all this thing writing. And he is writing a letter to his mother that, Mother, I don't know, I haven't done anything. But how all these things were happening, that cup broke itself, there was a crack in the Chinese pot, blue vase, and again he is saying that I don't know, see here, how that tap was opened, how water was wasted, I don't know. In this way, that boy is explaining. Next to that, there was a strange jam stain about the size of the boy appeared on the kitchen wall. See, he has his thumbprints on the wall, as you can see here. He doesn't know who did it. He is telling that it was a strange jam stains on the walls of the kitchen walls, like that. Here, he only did all these things, but he is telling that I don't know, I haven't done all these things. Again, he tells us that I don't think we will ever discover exactly how the cat managed to turn on the washing machine. See, he is telling that here in this picture you can see cat is there in the washing machine. He tells us that the boy is describing, I don't know how it has happened and how that cat turned on the washing machine. Can the cat turn on the washing machine? No. So this activity is also done by the child only. But to stay away from the scoldings of the mother, he is saying that I don't know how it has happened or how the cat can turn on the washing machine. So again he has done some mischievous activity, and these mischievous activity are there he is describing. See, next to that, I can tell you that I was scared when as if by magic, and he said that I am really scared of it. How it has happened? I think there is some magic there. Magically, how all these things happen. See, and that boy is so worried about it. That magic is happening in our home, and again a series of muddy footprints appeared on the white carpet. Here you can see muddy footprints on the white carpet. He is telling that, Mother, I don't know how it has happened. These muddy footprints on the white carpet. How it has happened? I don't know. And he explains his mother that I was being good, honest, but I think the house is haunted. Haunted? Haunted by the ghost. And see, this child is telling to his mother that, Mother, I am very much honest, but I think that our house is, or our home is haunted by the ghost. See, the ghost is here. See, our house is haunted. In this way, that boy is explaining. And see, so now knowing you are going to have a pit, I am out of the home. And where is he? I have gone over to Grants for a bit. See, here in this poem, there is one child is there. He is alone at home, and his mother, she went out. At that time, he has done all these activity. He turned on washing machine, muddy footprint on the white carpet, fingerprints on the kitchen wall. All these mischievous activity as done by that small child. And now to stay away from the mother's scolding, he has written one letter to his mother and told that, Mother, I don't know how all these activities happen magically. And again he has given his experience that, Mother, maybe our home is haunted by the ghost, and all these activities are done by the ghost. That's why till when we will return, I am going to Granny's home. So I will take rest there, or I will stay with my granny. In this way, the boy is telling, or he has written one letter to his mother. So this is the poem. I hope all of you understood the poem. If you like it, please reply. Thank you very much.